Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, reset forgotten Windows 11 password without losing any data using no disk or USB. Hold Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit, find your Windows installation drive. In my case Windows installation drive is C drive. C:/, CD space, /Windows /System32. Type ren space, utilman.exe space, utilman1.exe. Type ren space, cmd.exe space, utilman.exe. Exit and start Windows 11. Click Accessibility option. Type Control space, user passwords 2. Select username, click Reset Password, change password. Type newly updated password. Click Start button, click Power icon, hold Shift key, click Restart. C:/, CD space, Windows /System32. Type ren space, utilman.exe space, cmd.exe. Type ren space, utilman1.exe space, utilman.exe. Exit and start Windows 11. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.